Hi, my name is Derek, owner of Deep Rock Foundations, and today I want to address a common situation that we get called for all the time that's not necessarily related to your foundation problem: corner pops. So let's take a look. So here we are, a corner pop. Take a look at this. The slab, for some reason, is popped off on the corner, and a lot of times this makes homeowners a little nervous that something structural is going on with their house. But I'm here to assure you that it is almost always not a structural problem. It's a cosmetic problem. There's two main reasons for this happening. The first reason that it can even happen is there's no structural steel in the corner of a foundation. But the two main reasons it happens, the two main explanations and theories out there, it's the foundation settles a little bit, puts a little pressure on the corner and causes it to pop off because there's no steel in that corner. The other reason is that the brick expands at a different rate than the concrete slab. While this expands, it can create pressure here and cause that to slough off, and that's the term sloughing. So it's not a structural problem most of the time. If it was a structural problem, you would probably see some kind of corresponding trail up the brick that caused additional cracks in the wall. In this case, we're not seeing that. We see this very common all over the area. So don't worry about the structure of your house on that. It's a cosmetic problem. You can find a concrete contractor, even a handyman that might be able to fix that for you. So there's good videos on YouTube that can show you how to get that fixed, and hopefully that takes care of any questions you had about a common misunderstanding in foundation repair.